Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plant. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi cousin for the week of November 13th through 19th, and I'll be using this sticker sheet from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. It's from her luxury advent calendar that she sold this time last year, and I'm so excited. I have loved every single sheet of this advent calendar that I purchased next year's, and I'm very excited to use that. Let's get started. So I've decided that this big sheet is going to go into my Hobonichi weeks just because this is just too big to fit anywhere on my weekly spread. So, sorry, it's hard to sit down because I started doing leg workouts again and I realized that there's muscles that I haven't used in a while. So let's write this like this. But at least I am getting back into my workouts, and I am thankful that I have a massage gun that I can use at my leisure. All right, I want, and I love all these cottonwood flowers. I want to use this, but I feel like it would probably be better suited right in the middle, right down the middle. Yeah, so I'm going to, where's my scissors? Oh, it's not necessarily right down the middle. Oh, and that's not necessarily where I want to cut it, but you make do. They're stickers. And there. And then this half will go here. I love doing that. And I know that I'm gonna write work there or use my work stickers that I haven't used in a while. Okay, then I can put this coffee down here. And this washi is from, the washi tape shop. Gosh, I am a mess. It's from the washi tape shop, and I bought more than enough rolls to last me for the next year or so. Placing that sticker down with one of the cottonwoods. Oh, I like that. I like that combination. And then I'm gonna put, let's put the sticker up here, and then this cottonwood here. Oh, I like that. It's so simple, but so pretty. Then one more down here. And I'm gonna place, what am I gonna put down? I feel like I need all of these for my Hobonichi weeks, but I don't necessarily think so. So I think I'm gonna just use this one, a very simple one, and place it here. And then the rest I'm gonna leave for my Hobonichi weeks. And that is very simple, and I really like that actually. I don't wanna add too much more to it. I think that is exactly the way I want it. So going in here now with my pen, and I'm gonna write in sleep and draw in the grid, keeping track of my sleep. I do have to say though that my length of sleep, it's very rare that I get less than 4 hours. Very rare that I get less than 5 hours, really. So at least that is an improvement. Then workouts. And then Monday, which is today, I'm filming this at 4:50 in the afternoon. I did 10 rounds lower body. Tomorrow is just my stepper. Gosh, this ink is super wet. And then Wednesday will be 10 rounds week 1 upper body. Thursday is 10 rounds, week 1 lower body. And then Friday is my stepper. And then I haven't decided if I'm just gonna continue doing that. We'll see. I'm gonna leave that for now. Then I'm going to write in the words work. Gosh. Oops. Okay. And this is for Monday. Draw in the arrows. And then tomorrow I am off during the day, but I'm working in the evening. And then same here, I need to find my work stickers so that I can actually write that in. Let's see. I know I have work script stickers somewhere, unless I've, there we go. There's my work script. So work, although I can just, I'll just leave that there. And then leave that there. And I know what time I start work. It's not, that hasn't changed. So work. And then drawing in the arrow. I'm really glad that I am not working Friday night or on call Saturday morning. Wonderful. And then 10 o'clock at WW Sherwood Park. And then that afternoon, there's a few things I'm gonna have to do. I know I have to film, etc., but let's write in the word meals, Monday through Sunday. And I feel like this plan with me is very, I want to keep it simple because of the decoration. The decoration is very, very simple. And then Sunday, my husband has his work Christmas party, so we have no plans except cleaning. Oh, just heard Lucy with her squeak toy. Okay, so cleaning and fold laundry. Oh, why did I put the massage sticker there? Okay, so I think I'm gonna try and fold laundry on Friday evening because I'm just that fun. And then that way I can spend some quality time with the kids Saturday night. Then Saturday during the day, I will do some cleaning so that I don't have to do it Sunday. So I'll do bathrooms. Actually, I can get my husband to do the cleaning that day too. Vacuum windows and really the dusting, and my daughter has to mop. Okay, then I'm going all over the place here. I apologize for that. So Thursday, my husband will pick up groceries. These icons from Paper Bits Co. are adorable. Then to do on Monday, meal plan and order groceries. And I also had to go to the post office, which I've already done. And then putting those away. Clean as you go. I always say that to my husband, clean as you go. Then, and if you're not aware, these sticker albums are from According to Allie. You can, they're actually still available on her website, and you can use code Karina10 to get 10% off on them. I love her sticker albums. And then Henry has Ninja from 11:30 to 12:30. Okay, that's all I'm going to put in here for now. Oh, there goes Lucy. I'm going to just keep it very simple for now and fill it in as the week goes. But that is my quick plan with me with Lucy barking in the background. I apologize for that. Yeah, so that is it. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.